The Sahara Desert is the hottest desert in the world. To live here, you have to be very resilient. Or extremely intelligent. It's almost nothing to grow on this endless sea of sand. This is a special species that survives in the wild bovine desert. The dung beetle is a branch of the beetle. Dung beetles are fecal eaters. They eat the waste of other animals. That doesn't sound very appealing. But they're the great heroes of the desert. They don't just survive. It's turning the desert into a place that other organisms can inhabit. They get everything they need from the feces of other species. From food, shelter, even water. It's hard to believe that a creature living in such a harsh place There's a people from ancient times. I have a lot of respect for this little animal. It's the Egyptians. It's like a dung beetle. The Egyptians thought. The ancient dung drags the sun through the sky. Very healthy dung beetle. A dung beetle can roll a dung ball. It weighs 20 times its own weight. Just like humans push a sphere the size of a small car. Though, they can still push heavy objects in a straight line. And they have the endurance of a marathon runner. They know they have to get 10 fast. Because around a new pile of shit, there's always a lot of hungry beetles. The males are very tolerant partners. Their job is to carry large piles of dung. And the females regularly hitchhike the males. And most of all, these strange dung beetles. They're the gardeners of the desert. By burying dung, they're burying a lot of seeds. They're helping the seeds to germinate in arid places. Dwarves can also be thieves. They have to constantly watch for other bugs. Want to steal their precious dung. But the dung beetle has a magical ability. They use the galaxy to locate. A delicate sixth ability of the tiny champion of SA Desert. Scorpions have survived for millions of years. The rattlesnake uses sound to warn. Those who want to attack them have to step back to distract the prey. These lizards can all move very quickly, having strange shapes or habits. What's better than a cow hung pushing around dung? These creatures are the real survivors in the race for survival.